home button has become one of the most controversial rumors about Apple's 10th anniversary handset, but there's good news today. The new home button may be completely resizable to your liking, according to Apple HomePod firmware code found by developer Steve Troughton-Smith. This is further evidence that the all-screen iPhone 8 does away with the physical button in favor of an on-screen option like we've seen on many Android phones. The iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus got rid of the clickable home button in favor of a home pad that simulated clicks with simulated haptic feedback. Along the same lines, and we're hearing today, Apple made these vibrations customizable, too. No signs of Touch ID. Here's what we still don't have a definitive answer to today. Even with the early HomePod firmware code out there, will the iPhone 8 have any sort of Touch ID fingerprint sensor? That's the big question, with reports indicating that Apple has run out of time when it comes to embedding a sensor into the front glass, where we'd like it. Face unlock may be the future, but will it be the only future? Other options for Touch ID on the iPhone 8 include the side sleep, wake button or the back, everyone's least favorite spot for the fingerprint sensor. Apple could also retire Touch ID, relying entirely on a new 3D face scanning technology, which may unlock your phone even while sitting flat on a table. When will we find out for sure? We could see the iPhone 8 launch event as soon as next month, but expect more rumors about it in between now and then.